I poured Coca-Cola into the eggs, and the result really surprised me. To be honest, no egg dish I've ever eaten in my life has tasted this good. Tip 1. Eggs with Coca-Cola. To start, I prepare 1 onion and chop it into small, even pieces. Next, I turn on the stove and add a little olive oil to the pan. When the oil is lightly heated, I add the onions to the pan. Use a spoon to spread them evenly across the surface and cook over low heat until the onions gradually soften. Meanwhile, I prepare 5 potatoes that have been washed and peeled. I slice the potatoes into thin slices. Once the onions are tender, I add all the sliced potatoes to the pan and toss them together with the onions. I continue cooking this mixture over medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring gently from time to time to ensure the potatoes cook evenly and don't burn. Once the potatoes are tender and cooked through, I transfer the entire potato and onion mixture to a large bowl. Next, I crack 6 eggs into the bowl. Then, I pour about 100 milliliters of Coca-Cola into the mixture. The Coca-Cola adds a touch of mild sweetness and helps keep the dish moist. To enhance the flavor, I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Then, I use a spoon to mix all the ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is well combined. After 15 minutes, I place the skillet on the stove, pour in a little olive oil, and spread it evenly across the surface of the skillet. Then pour the entire mixture into the heated skillet. Use a spoon to spread the mixture evenly across the surface of the skillet to form a large pancake. I fry it for about 1 minute over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. To make flipping the cake easier, I place a plate on top of the pan and flip it over, then slide the cake back into the pan. I continue frying for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the other side is also golden brown and fragrant. Finally, I transfer the pancake to a plate. The potato and egg pancake with Coca-Cola is evenly cooked, has a beautiful golden color, and smells incredibly delicious. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs and okra. To start, I prepare about 100 grams of okra. First, I trim the stems off each okra pod, then soak them in a bowl of water and rinse them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Next, I add 1 teaspoon of salt to the pot. When the water starts to heat up and is almost boiling, I add all the okra to the pot and boil them for about 1 minute. Once the time is up, I remove the okra from the pot and let it cool slightly before slicing them into thin slices. Okra is a vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It aids digestion, supports heart health, and helps boost the body's immune system. Now I'll start slicing the okra into small pieces. I place the freshly sliced okra into a large bowl. Next, I crack 5 eggs into the bowl with the okra. These eggs will help create a soft and creamy texture for the dish. Now I'll wash and finely chop some green onions. To make the dish more flavorful, I season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper. I use a spoon to mix all the ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is fully combined. I place the pan on the stove and add a little cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I pour the entire egg and okra mixture into the pan. Then, I gently and continuously stir with a spoon, so the eggs and okra cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. In just a few minutes, you'll see the eggs start to set and the okra become tender. At this point, the enticing aroma of the eggs and green onions will begin to fill the air. And there you have it, a simple, nutritious, and delicious egg and okra dish. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Tip 3. Eggs and bread. To start this dish, I prepare 2 slices of bread, cut each slice in half, and make a diagonal cut in each piece. Next, I take a bowl and crack 4 eggs into it. I add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to enhance the flavor. Then use a spoon to whisk the mixture until the eggs are well combined and smooth. Now, I place a skillet on the stove and lightly coat the surface with oil. Once the skillet is hot, I arrange the bread slices in the skillet. And slowly pour the egg mixture over them, spreading it evenly across the surface so the eggs seep into the cracks of the bread. I cover the skillet and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the eggs underneath are set and adhere to the bread. Once the bottom is golden brown, I gently flip the dish so the other side cooks evenly. At this point, I sprinkle a layer of cheese on top. Add a layer of ham. Then cover with another layer of cheese to make the dish richer and more appealing. Then cover the pan and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. When the cheese begins to melt and blend with the other ingredients, the dish is ready. Let's cut into the sandwich and enjoy this incredibly simple yet unbelievably delicious dish together. Which of the 3 dishes in today's video is your favorite? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.